seeing at home.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. God damn!
Let's just go for another one. Take me to the express lane.
This is really fucking happening. Are you serious?
And is this truck trying to maneuver its way through this? We can hear Caitlin.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. We are at the I-10. We are at the I-10 and Beltway corridor here. Look at this 18-wheeler trying to make its way through this.
Coaches that might give you that opportunity to make a career out of it. So with a virtual goal platform, we run a yearly competition in the game where you can show what you can do on a bike that hit your biggest performance numbers, and our coaches have what it takes to be a pro. And we touched on the tour, Dan, and we saw.
Open the door! Łupy siłę! Kazaki! Nie idźmy mu dziasło wpieść! God damn it! Nope. Fuck. God damn it. Motherfucker.
Okay. Yeah. Somebody's gonna go under. Hey!
Oh my God! Stupid, go!
Get her license. Jeez, her.
Not a drop of salt water in sight, but he remembers he was 5 or 6 when he first encountered Megalodon in the movie Jaws.
I watched it over and over on a videotape countless times.
You never know what could happen with you.
Fucking yeah!
通事故は、日常生活の中で誰にでも起こり得る危険な出来事です。特に運転中は、わずかな不注意が大きな事故につながることがあります。私たちは、常に安全運転を心がけ、道路上の他の利用者にも十分に配慮することが求められます。まず、交通事故を防ぐためには、基本的な交通ルールを守ることが最も重要です。例えば、信号機の指示に従うことや、標識や道路表示に注意を払うこと、そして他の車両や歩行者の動きを常に確認することが挙げられます。これらの基本的なルールを無視することは、重大な事故を引き起こす原因となります。